In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about how to add text overlay an image in SwiftUI. This is the code for initial setup for image. As we discussed previously, SwiftUI has built-in modifier for applying overlay. It can be attached to any existing image view. An overlay modifier is to place another object that will serve as the coating of the image. You can apply any kind of view as an overlay. We can also possible to use another overlay on top of the existing overlay, just like overlay on top of the another overlay. Let's try to darken the image by giving the color of an overlay with opacity. Then we can place another text overlay on the top of it. We can also use SF symbols as an overlay. Since SF symbols are small, we just adjust their size to make them more visible. We can change the color and opacity or many more things.